Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the samples in the Google Sheet. Basically, when you are using the Excel, you have a multiple options to add the samples in the Excel, but there is no any option just like the Excel to add the samples in the Google Sheet. So what to do to add the samples like special characters, emojis and something like that to add in the Google Sheet? Let me show you how you can do that. So basically here I have a table. I have already applied the emojis according to the percentages over here. So just like you have a school report where the students have been given the percentages for the score, and for according to that we have to write the remarks, either it is excellent, good, bad or worst. So for example, if the percentage is above 80%, that is the excellent, and the percent in between 50% till 80%, that is the good. So this lies in between 50% to 80%, so that's the good. So here you can see you got the emoji with the smile, and this is still in between that range, so this is also good. And now this is the 97%, which is means that this is excellent percentage, so this is excellent. And after that, that's the 27%. So any percentage who is in between 50% till 30%, that is bad, and below than 30%, that is the worst. So I will select this one. So here you can see that this is the samples that's working on the basis of conditions here. Whatever the remarks I will select here, that according to the samples that will be represented here. So how did I do that? So let me show you. Basically, you have a wide range of samples that you can add in the Google Sheets. So the process of adding the samples in the Google Sheet is very simple. So you have to basically encode the binary systems in it. So basically this is the table. So this is the two-way, that's the decimal, and this is the hexadecimal. So I'm going to focus on this decimal because this is the complete table. So I have also included the hexadecimals. So for in case if we require the hexadecimals, don't worry about this spreadsheet. I will share this spreadsheet in the description. So whenever you want to access it, you just go there in the description and download from there. Let's move on to the topic. So this is the decimal. For example, if I will move here and let's say what symbol I want to add. For example, I want to add this symbol. So let me copy this decimal. I will paste this here. So basically now you will hit the equal and write CHAR. So this is the formula. What it will do, it will basically convert this code into relevant character, this decimal code. So select this decimal code and enter. So this is the symbol. This is the exactly same symbol that we have selected here. So let me increase the size so that we can see it clearly. This is the same symbols. So yeah, you can see that this is the same symbol. For instance, I want to change the color. So where is my color? This is the fill color. So this is the text color, orange. You can change it to orange, right? So let's say I want to add some other characters. Just copy me. For example, I want to add these characters. So copy these, add it here, and paste the spatial with the formula. Right, so increase the size to 24. Now you can see that here are the special characters. These are the same that you want to add in the Google Sheets. So there is lots of library in this spreadsheet. Here are also the emojis that you can add according to the relevant mode what you want to add. So whatever you the characters that you want to add, you can also do. So you can also blend it with the formula, just like I have blended over here. If you can see, here is the ifs condition basically. So that has been added. According to that, what will be the condition here, that character will be applied here. So you can see this is the char, and that will be applied according to here in this cell. So this is the way that you can add the special character in this Google Sheet. So that's it for today. If you have learned in this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to mention your suggestions and also questions in the comment sections down below. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching 5 Minute Session.